In the circles of AI, one of the most debated subjects these days is world models. A world model is an abstract representation that an intelligent system uses to understand and simulate the real world around it. The model encompasses various aspects of the environment, including physical laws, spatio-temporal knowledge, objects, scenes, agents, and their dynamic interactions. In particular, it allows to predict the future states of the world in response to different actions. Building a general world model can serve for interactive content creation, such as generating realistic virtual scenes for video games and movies, developing immersive experiences in virtual and augmented reality, and creating dynamic simulations for training and educational purposes. Perhaps of even more significance is that a general world model provides a foundation for robust, grounded reasoning in AI systems, enabling them to anticipate complex environments and plan action such as robots navigating disaster scenes safely. A world model is also holding the potential to power long horizon reasoning that improves decision making in fields like logistics and healthcare by simulating various scenarios and outcomes and identifying the most effective solutions. Current LLMs are adept at generating human language and are used as surrogates for world models in certain reasoning tasks. But language alone is fundamentally insufficient and inefficient modality for describing various aspects of the world, such as intuitive physics. Also, LLMs lack a robust understanding of physical and temporal dynamics in the real world, relying on patterns in textual data without comprehending the underlying realities they describe. That is where this new general world model called as Pandora seems quite interesting. It is a step toward a general world model that simulates world states across various domains by generating videos and allows real time control through arbitrary actions expressed in a natural language. In this video, I'm going to give you an overview of this Pandora. I tried to get access to it on the Hugging Face. My access is still pending with them. And interestingly enough, they say that they have hidden the model weights due to data license issues. We will reopen the weight soon after we figure this out. I have no idea what that means, but anyway, I will just keep it as is. But they have this project page which let me walk you through. You see, for example, look at this example from their project page, and I will drop the link to it in video's description. So there are few actions where women is doing something. She is talking now, and then this is the first action. Second action, she waves her hands, and then she turns her head to the man. The man is visible in the background. So this is a video, and the model is deciphering it. And similarly, you see there is a robotic one, and then which is taking the apple out of the pot. And I'm talking about this second row. And you see, if you look at the first one, let's start from the top. So you see the action one is the red car moves along the path. Second, there is an explosion sort of thing happens. And thirdly, it just spreads. Similarly, look at this one. This is very nice, First, sunrise. Second, the light becomes a car, and then the car keeps moving forward. Similarly, there are a lot of other examples which are scattered throughout it. And different videos are being generated from the initial scene, as you can see here. Different actions. There is a magma erupting from the crater. And then they have this another example of Pandora, which is where they are showing that Pandora is capable of generating videos across a wide range of general domains such as indoor, outdoor, human, robot, 2D, 3D, and the list goes on and on. And it also works with so it learns sections in one domain and then applies them in another domain, as you can see on the screen. Now, the thing is that this Pandora is definitely a step toward a general world model. I agree with that, but there are no weights. I don't see any architecture, so bit apprehensive about it. But the thing which I have garnered from this project page and stuff is that it is an autoregressive model that sequentially processes actions, which is free text, and previous states, which is the videos as inputs, and generates next states, which is the videos as output. Pandora introduces a staged training strategy, same to the successful recipe of training LLMs, which includes large-scale pre-training with massive video and text data to learn domain general understanding of the world and production of consistent video simulations. And then secondly, instruction tuning with high quality text video sequential data to learn anytime text controllability during video generation. Also, the pre-training stage allows for the separate training of text and video modeling. They can also simply reuse existing pre-trained LLMs and text to video generation model that have already achieved generality and video consistency in their own pre-training. Let me also quickly show you the model architecture from their research page. This is a general architecture of this model, which I also described shortly, that how it is performing. So primarily what is happening here is that Pandora is capable of generating videos across a wide range of general domains such as indoor, outdoor, natural, urban, human, robot, and other scenarios. And this domain generality is primarily due to the large-scale video pre-training. Also, Pandora accepts natural languages action as input during video generation to direct future world states. This differs crucially from previous text-to-video model, which allows text prompts only at the beginning of the video. The on-the-fly control fulfills the promise of the world model to support interactive content generation and enhance robust reasoning and planning. And then, as you see here, instruction tuning with high quality data enables this model to learn effective actions control and transfer to different unseen domains. And they have demonstrated in their videos on the project page the same thing. Also, existing video generation models based on diffusion architecture typically produce videos of a fixed length, normally 2 second, 5 second. And by integrating the pre-trained video model with LLM autoregressive backbone, Pandora is capable of extending the video duration indefinitely in an autoregressive manner, and that is what I'm very excited about once it's released. Hopefully it will be possible, and then we will check it out. The promises of Pandora are huge, no doubt about that. So let's see when they release their weights, and then we will try it out to see how it works. But if you go to their project page and all that stuff, you see all of these example looks quite good. And they also have given some of the limitations here on this project page. But all in all, it looks really interesting, really good work by all of these guys. So that's it, guys. Let me know what do you think about this. I will drop the link to this project page in video's description. If you like the content, please consider subscribing to the channel. And if you're already subscribed, then please share it among your network as it helps a lot. Thanks for watching.